All right, here we are, the next stage of the project for our joinery. So you see behind me here, all the carcasses are coming in. So this is going to be for things like the kitchen, the laundry, the pantry, and all our vanities. So you'll see that go together over the next couple of days. The guys are just unloading it off the truck. You'll see them install it over the kickers here, and then, yeah, all the process take place. Enjoy the video. When I was filming this, I only got up to the guys putting in probably the delivery and the kickboards. Went away for a couple of days and then they've done quite a lot of work, so you can see just how quickly that all goes together. So the last couple of things the guys have got to do now for the kitchens is we've got some overhead doors up here that still need to go on. We're putting in some black mesh in those, so they're just getting those sprayed up. There's a couple of drawer fronts and a few things that are missing here and there off the vanities. What will happen next is the plumber will come in. He'll fit everything off with all his drainage and all his pipe work, and then the guys will come back and they'll actually measure and cut the drawers out at the back to suit the pipe work. And that's about it. Now that we've started putting some of our floor in, they can also come around and cut all the kickboards in around the bottom just to finish that off. And then that's it. That's pretty much the kitchen almost done. We can get our plumber to fit off, get an electrician to start putting in the oven and all those bits and pieces, and then, yeah, hopefully in the next couple of weeks that's all done, and then we'll move on to some of our painting stages. So it's taking shape. Now, while that's been happening, we've also been starting to lay our floor. You'll see that either in an episode before this or an episode after this, probably after because we're still going with it, but it's going to be a complete how-to on how to actually lay that direct stick engineered floor. Yeah, it's coming up really nice, just about get some coverage and yeah, chuck it all over it, because putting that down now, we still haven't finished the painting and there's still going to be trays and stuff walking over the floor, so I want to try and protect that the best that we can. All right.